Okay, now that I'm playing with this huge map, I am kind of I want to make a cutscene of it, and I thought, why not record it and make it a tutorial? So let's try to do it. I will put a spline here. Okay. Now I'm going up, up, up. Now the best way to put these things on place and be side by side, it is not pushing them, it's piloting them. So I will pilot this. Now yes, talking. Okay, good. Or you just want to know this is Alt P. Alt P is piloting. And I will pilot this other one here. Great. Starts here. Oh, it's but that's okay. That's okay. Let's create more points. I press this guy and creates another point here. And I will pilot it. Well, okay, piloting it. So here. Good. Okay. Now we will have a very nice angle. Let's keep doing it. Let's go very near it. Select this, Alt P. No, sorry, no. I want you to duplicate this. What is that? Sorry. Click here, Alt P. Go near the other. Okay. It's somewhat confusing. After all, it's a 3D world. We don't have to reach exactly where we started. It's just an idea. Well, we have a nice spline. Okay, now I have my camera in the map. It was under the landscape. Oh, turn off this. And select the camera shift select the spline and click on bind. That puts see, now the camera follows. When I move this spline position, the camera follows the spline. See, if I create a cutscene, which I will call it cut one, and I select camera and I add track cam one. So I can make, now I have to select the spline and add the track for the spline, call it spline. And I will do properties here. A properties keyframe, add properties keyframe, which is a spline position 0, and I will put spline position now for 1. See? And I will do another properties keyframe, but with, say, 10 seconds. So it will take 10 seconds for us. Now we click here, and when we select the camera, it shows the camera in here. The properties. This is what this camera is seeing. When I select the spline and move this, the camera moves. So let's see what's happening here. Okay. Now, we need this camera to look at this building, okay? So what we will do is we add a control point here. It's too far away, you can see, but it's here. This is the control point. See, it has its position, which I will return back to 0. And I will tell him to rotate to asset, and I will select an asset, click here, show, okay, that's right, and I will click and rotate to assets. So now when the camera is at this position on the spline, he looks at the building. Okay, he is looking at the bottom of the building, but we will change that. And we can adjust the height of set, not much. 3000. No, it's still 10,000. Too much. 5,000. No. 6,000. No. 7,000. Ah, good. Now, we need to create another control point, and that control point will go to the end. None of this, I am selecting the camera. This one going to two control points, one here, one here. This is the second. I will put this position at the end of the spline. He's here now. I will also select this guy. I will put the camera at the end of the spline, and I will rotate the asset. And now I'm seeing him, and also I am changing height of set to 5,000. No, I have to 7,000. Good. Let's play again. Oh, that's better. That's interesting. Okay. Let's film this. So we need to put this, we hide everything, and we put hide when playing, also hide objects, and click play. Oh, I forgot. Oh, it's my fault. I forgot to switch to the camera. So it will take 10 seconds to return. I'm sorry. We need here, and we need this switch camera keyframe to, because you can have more than one camera. You can have several cameras and switch cameras all the time. I just forgot to switch to the camera in the beginning of the movie. Now, aha. Oh, I think it's fun. Okay, I'm no movie maker, and I will, let's put this for 15, more slow, and let's keep camera here so it keeps the camera at the last position when it finishes. Well, well, not bad for on the fly tutorial.